Okay, people, I don't know if you can see it. It's raining like big time. It's already flooded everywhere. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's like, it's crazy right now. This is like the best rain we've ever had. Like, look at, it's already extremely flooded right here. Oh, Dad, come on. I like it. I'll stay right here. This is like the best rain we've had ever here in our life. It's flooded everywhere, especially at 120 Wash. My dad has to go inside. He has to get everything ready because I know our power's about to go out. But it's gonna turn back on with the generator. We're gonna be good. It's raining like hardcore. Like, it's like extremely, it's crazy. You can't really see it, but it's like coming off of the rooftops. Like, the wind is blowing it off the rooftops. That's how strong this rain is right now. This rain is pretty strong. Lightning and thunder everywhere. Ooh, it's like really cold out here. The last time it rained like this was a long ass time ago. Now it's like extremely like damn, you see it now? If you can see it, like it's like just